We're going to
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong! We're taking a ferry to Hong Kong for literally 12 hours. 到咗香港要 practice 一下我個廣東話。呢個係 Patty， 今日嘅天氣唔係好好。呢個係大樹 ，into the love of my life。
Yeah，我的名字。
香港嘅第一餐公仔麵。I said the first meal in Hong Kong is instant noodles. I didn't pick this place. My parents were so hungry, they just made us go into any restaurant. Pretty good though. Okay, we're now heading to
Wollongong.
Wollongong.
Go again.
We're now heading to
Wollongong. These are the biggest grapes I've ever seen in my life. Look how big. I can't wait to eat them. There's a Japanese restaurant and a Korean restaurant that I want to eat at, so I suggested that we eat a little bit at the Japanese restaurant as an entree and then have our mains at the Korean restaurant. And since I'm paying, my parents are like, whatever. Okay, we're now at the noodle place. 2 doors down. Patty's come join us now because he doesn't eat seafood. I'm back.
This is it. 刚才那餐好吃吗？好吃，非常好吃。
Hello.
这家 ，Let's go. Yeah.
进去吧。
走，进去。饱的想吐啊 ！No， 我还要买甜品打包。这个不要。We are so full, so we're looking for dessert. Hey, hey, hey!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Hey, this is good market research.
I'll have a sip of the cheese foam.
Cheese foam.
Is that not cheese foam?
Yeah. I'm gonna mix it, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright.
Pretty good. Oh my god.
You don't like it that much.
No, the pearls are so soft.
It's about an 8 out of 10.
I'm gonna rate it a 7 out of 10.
About an 8 out of 10, but the tea is not that strong.
Yeah.
It's very sweet and fresh.
The pearls
are so
are
fresh.
the pearls are like 9 out of 10. The tea's like
6 out of 10.
Meat fresh still does it better.
No. We are on the longest bridge on the ocean in the entire world. We're back. We left at 9:40 something and we got back at 9:46, exactly 12 hours.
Oh,
然后
wow, so cool.
茶杯有给你送了个包包。Look, look,
Ooh, cool.
banana, banana.
Ooh.
然后你看，你倒功夫茶进来这里边，然后自己倒自己的一杯。
哦，还有一个包包啊！
banana.
Wow, so cute, so cute, good.
Are these not the biggest grapes you've ever seen in your life? Oh, look at the size of this grape. This is the size of a cherry tomato. 要洗吗？不洗了。洗。我先试一个，So good.
So good?
Come. This was 40 Hong Kong dollars, which is, I think, really cheap because the amount of joy it's brought me is priceless. This is the size of a baby's hand. A baby could not hold this grape. What's wrong? 你看这个，你看，这番茄比番茄还大。
Oh my god.
Repeal. My dad's trying to see how much we got.
หาไปเราได้มาเป็นตัว
有钩子的这些。
Patty!
ปั้นหนี
Put it in your mouth. Throw me a grape in my mouth. This is a choking hazard. Throw me a grape. Nice!再来一次。Oh no!